In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage assets in Airtable. First, open Airtable, sign in, and create a new base. Click Add a Base, choose Start from Scratch, and name it Asset Inventory Control. This base will hold everything related to your assets and their tracking. It's the central place you'll return to whenever you need to update quantities, statuses, or who has which item. Next, set up your asset table. Rename the default table to Assets and build out the essential fields. Create an asset ID using a formula or auto number so every record is uniquely identified. Add asset name as single line text, category as single select to standardized types like IT, furniture, or tools, and quantity as a number for total units. Set status as single select with values like available, in use, under repair, and retired. For location, use single select or text depending on how consistent your storage locations are. Add assign to as single line text for the person or department. Purchase date as a date field. Condition as single select with options like new, good, fair, or poor. And notes as long text for any extra details. Using single select fields keeps your data clean and easy to filter later. Customize your status, category, and condition options. Open each field, add the options you plan to use, and assign colors to the status choices, so you can scan the grid quickly and spot items that need attention. Now start entering your data, one asset per row. Group similar items with the category field and use quantity when you track multiple identical units. This forms the foundation of your inventory and makes reporting accurate from day one. By the way, you'll find the official Airtable link at the very top of the description so you can sign up on the website or download the app if you prefer mobile access. Create views to manage faster. Make an available assets view with a filter where status equals available. Build an assets in use view where status equals in use. Add a low inventory view by filtering quantity to be less than or equal to a threshold you choose. Finally, create a by location view and group by the location field. To make each view, open grid view, select create new view. Then apply your filters or grouping. Track assignments by updating assign to whenever an asset is issued or returned, and change the status accordingly. This prevents loss and improves accountability. When you're ready to collaborate, click Share, choose View Only or Edit Access, and invite the team members responsible for inventory. Keep everything accurate by updating statuses as changes occur, reviewing low stock views weekly, and archiving retired assets instead of deleting them. Thanks for watching.